What is up, guys? It's Marcus Tree back. From that crash video, yeah, that really did it. My bike had a flat and she still purrs. Well, that's a he. This is a cat. So today I have to. Oh my god, not these guys again. They're everywhere. Not everywhere, they're mostly outside. Oh, you guys want to see a pile of them outside? Hold on. I'll show you guys. This is what happens if you have this problem. That's all bugs, watch. Just try not to get any on you. They like to crawl. There's a cat chilling out. Anyways, we're gonna be doing a rebuild series on my dirt bike. I just got this tire fixed. I have one bad bearing. It's like brand new too. And this side got a new bearing. Fixed the flat. Now it's not flat anymore. Not like rolls good and stuff. So, man, this thing's heavy. I cannot believe we have made it to like 33, 34 subs. I don't know. Depends. I just can't believe this. It's so amazing, guys. It really makes me so happy. It's like I started off with just, I should say, like, it's like like when I first started, it was like, holy crap, I'm getting up to there. I had like a few, but then I wasn't really that happy. I was like, holy crap, I have 10, so yeah, cool. But now we have made it up to 33 or 34 or something, and yeah, and I was like, holy crap, the channel is growing like crazy. More viewers are coming. It's crazy, guys. If you guys start a YouTube channel, recommend doing it. You guys, nobody comment down below on that blow up video, so you guys gotta comment below if you want to win that giveaway. So here's the 400EX. We're not selling it. For some reason, I can do a wheelie with put my foot up here. For some reason, the battery my dad is getting. So yeah, let's get the tripod here and get the shot. I know I seem weird on my videos, but that's how I am, and that's how I always will be. Like, it's just the thing. I just like YouTubing. It's just like entertaining. It's like, wow, I accomplished one thing. Now I just gotta accomplish another thing. Oh crap, that's my piston. Don't worry, it's not a real piston, it's just a... God dang. It's just like, you know, showing what I do. So like when I die or something, people can always watch my videos. And I'm gonna put this cap somewhere else. It's like a really good thing because just think about it right now. It's just weird. I mean, you know, sometimes you can't YouTube. I mean, I'm trying to get up to that point where I can get paid for free almost and just keep moving on. But I need 1K to do that, which is I'm trying my hardest, but I'm just trying to get people to give me shout outs, tell all your friends. Oh crap, that's dirty. It's beating me still. Like, tell all your friends and stuff. That would help a lot. Because like I said, I'm not trying to be greedy, as some people say, if they want to be rude to my videos. I mean, I'm just saying because some people just don't, think before they post. And holy crap, this tire's haired. I can't keep that in there. That's what she said. Ha. Alright, I'm gonna take it out. So here's your rod. I just say to put this is your axle. Just that little piece. 85. Oh yeah. I hope you guys like that crash video. Put a lot of effort to editing. I mean, it looked boring. I mean, for 53, guys, throw in a comment section. Yeah, that was a lot of time I put onto that video. So if you guys could please, god dang, please watch that video all the way. Sorry if I am not talking right. As you guys know, is that what she said? Videos. What in the L? Why is this pushed in so much? My dad is so weird. He just like overkills it. There we go. And sometimes, I got my ups and my downs. God dang. Like this thing is being an up and a down, and I'm getting mad now. I'm frustrated. Crap. Crap, I gotta put that thing in. Take two. I'm just kidding. This chain, I wish it was just gone right now, because it's in my way. Oh, and that day, I crashed, I kept riding. And so, I mean, the... Alright, let's put these. Hello? I mean, like, hello. Is there, like, anybody around here to help? Just me. Oh my god! Wait, why? This is so stupid. Why would they put these on here? It's like retarded. I think I have to take some air out. My dad said if you take air out, it doesn't do anything. And actually, he just pulled in the driveway. Oh god. So, yeah, my friend Chance, a good friend I just, seen in the video. Shout out to him on his social media. I'll put a link in the description, and I'll just put a picture of it right now. So, yeah. Oh no, he's revving his truck. Alright, guys. Oh god, I can hear him. Oh my god. Oh, Cameron. Oh, come on, get in the caliper. You piece of junk. How many times have you guys ever done this? This sucks. Yeah. Oh my god. What? Hold on, guys. What's up, guys? Again. Still trying to get this thing on. Hey, my dirt bike's possessed. Man. Come on, Caliper. Come on, damn it. Get over here. Don't be stubborn. Yes, he's being stubborn today. Screwdriver. Hold on, guys. I need a screwdriver. Screwdriver. Anything in here possessed? It's all on camera then. There we go. Cheating. Oh. Alright, guys. Let's do this. Are you freaking kidding me? Okay. It's all good. Now push up. Push up for days. Come on. You. Ah, son of a gun. How you guys do this so easy? It's like a two-person job. This is like really dumb. I mean, I understand, but it's very dumb and annoying. Are you ready? 2, 3. I got it, get it, get it. There it goes. Haha. It's in. Try it again. 1 hour later. It's still not going in. Come on. Don't be like this. What the heck? Hehe. Okay. Oh crap. Alright, here we go. My chain. No. What's that going on? Wait, what if I put it on at the bottom? Come on. Just like that. That's how you cheat. Man, why is everything falling out? What the heck? There. Man, walking in your sleep. think this is the one when you're not part of a dang team. Where is the performances? Oh yeah! Tightening, frightening, tightening, frightening. Tightening is frightening. Oh my god, that was like almost the right size. Tightening. So what you want to do is make sure there's no play in your wheel. See, look, there's no play. See that? Just gotta work that bearing in. Chain bit. That's a bit. It just needs a little bit more tightening. I'm doing. Alright guys, I'm gonna do a fire up. Yeah. If you guys enjoy this, do. Alright guys, you know what? See you guys later. See you guys in the next video. Peace out, and hope you guys like this video. Please like a lot of my videos. That'd be nice. And peace out, and see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Mm-hmm.